Today I'm gonna introduce this T standard template for Figma, and after that, I'm gonna making login pages. Let's check it out. Okay, so first, I introduce this like a T standard. So I made it this template to make a design. And actually, this concept, nowadays many people like design for website and mobile design, but most of design kind of similar. For example, um, when you try to make a bottom, and they're almost similar, and they're like a text box, you just it's square. Then I just feeling, so maybe there's some way saving the time, and designer don't have to make it again. So that's what I make a template. But of course, in the Figma, there's many template. But on the other hand, I think this template is imperfect because you can get it many components from the template. But on the other hand, I mean the bottom and text box, and yeah, something like that. But on the other hand, designer needed to make a wireframe and pages, specific pages like login pages, and card pages. Yeah. But if you want to get these pages, you have to pay the money. Yeah. When you buy the high quality template. But for me, I just feeling it's okay. I made it by myself. Then I want to share everything for free. So that's why I made it this project. Yeah. Okay. First you click this one. Then yeah, you make it. Then now you actually, so I released it yesterday. Start the T standard project. Yeah, this is a project that was if someone help me this project, please let me know. And in this channel, I make some form, so you can join that. Also, you can help me not only making design, but also maybe donation, or giving me some idea. Or for me, I'm not a native my English, I'm not native English speaker. That's why if I mistake something, the English is, maybe you correct me my English, or maybe you help me to making a script something. Yeah, but anyway, so my point is there's many way to help this a project. Then let's make it. Let's make a revolution for UI design. Yeah. Then okay, so when you open these pages, can you see the component? And actually, so you see every component. I mean, first I already defined the text sizes, and yeah, something like that. And also color, I already defined it. But of course, you can change it by yourself. For example, you click here, then if you want to change the primary color, you change it like that. Yeah. Yeah, then if you change the primary color, also bottom color automatically change it. Yeah. And there, yeah, color I think is a basic. There's black, gray, 10, gray 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and white. And this is the focus color, and this is the primary color, and accent color, and the error color. Yeah, there's many colors. Yeah, of course, you can add it because this is just templated. And the next, there's text samples. Then it's already attached a style. And there's a margin box, but I tell you how to use it later. Then there's a button. Yeah, just basic button. But and all button, I already, and define, for example, this is the default, this is the disable, this is the hover, and this is the press when you click it. Then this is the focus. Yeah. Then this is the second button, and the button also has three like pattern, like a large, middle, and small. Yeah. And this is the uploader. Yeah, it's very basic uploader like this one. Yeah, this is default, and this is disable. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, and hover. Yeah. And this is also uploader. Yeah, very small one. Yeah. And there's a header. You can change the logo. But of course, like if you want to change the logo size, for example, you do it something like that, and then or you like change it. Yeah, yeah, you can do it whatever you want. And this is a text field. Yeah, there's like a normal, like a default, placeholder, disable, and error. Yeah, and also this is a mixed. This is level, and this is a like requirement icon, and you can write down the text. Like for example, you should write down you know this text either to including like capital or like some special character, something like that. Yeah, yeah, that is these things. This is a very basic things. Oh, then next you can see level 2. But what is different? Level 1, level 2. Yeah. Actually, so this template have a big power when you make a design. Then now I want to introduce it. Then I still didn't explain the margin box. Why there's a margin box? Okay, actually, so designer, for example, okay, just like remember when you make a design and frame, and okay, this time I'm making desktop. Then, okay, for example, I make a design. Okay, first I put the header like that. Cool. And next, Xbox. Yeah, just imagine if I make it like a login pages. Yeah. And yeah. Yeah, then I say email and password. Yeah, cool. And placeholder. Cool. And here log in. And maybe I also write down text. In. And okay, I diverge it. Database guideline. Netflix. Yeah. Cool. I already make it. Login pages so quickly. Yeah, 40, margins 40, 40, 64. And here, maybe 1 to 4. Yeah. Then, what do you think of it when I make this design? Do you think is it perfect? Okay. I think, yeah. I think it's no problem. Maybe if I give the design for engineer, I think they can make it. But you know, usually designer how to make a design thousands of pages, maybe for example, maybe 2 pages. Oh my gosh. Up. When you sign up pages, it's fine. And yeah. Password. This is password conformed. But you know, if you make it like thousands of pages, can you remember how much did you make a margin? Now, when I have a text box, I just make like, I make a rule, like a 40 pixel. Then bottom and text box also 40 pixel. Yeah. But just remember, if you make 1,000 pages, sometimes you forget it. And also very big issue, if I don't know, maybe if your reviewer or your supervisor or your client asking, oh, could you change it margin, for example 36, how will you do that? So will you change it like that? Yeah, maybe 2 pages. Okay, maybe 36 margins. Wow, fine. But just imagine, if you have 1,000 pages, will you do 1,000 pages same things? No. It's take a long time. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you need to do it everything. Maybe 10 days, 1 week. That means you wasted just 1 week. Then, but maybe you have some idea. For example, oh, just use it auto layout. Yes, we have some cool tools, auto layout. Okay, let's use it. For example, here and auto layout. Cool. Wow, auto layout and if no. And, yeah. Wow. It's gonna be easy. 41 because if client asks 50, you just change it here. 40 and then 48. 36. Yeah, cool. Okay, but I want to ask you next things. If client asking text box margin 36, but bottom and text box, could you change it 48? How can you do that? For example, here and this one 48. Yeah, you can change it, but you have to do it 1,000 pages. This case is, if you use the auto layout, how will you do that? Maybe one things, for example, bottom, just using absolute position. Then you do it 48. Yeah, I think this is a smart idea. Yeah, but then you have to do it 1,000 pages. Then if client asking, maybe 36 again, will you do that? Yeah, maybe only click here. It's fine, but still not good. If you want to change everything, just one time. Then now, it's time to use the T standard. Okay. Then first I want to say, actually, so this a technique I learning from my coworker, and so yeah, but it's a very useful way and a very good way, and also auto layout helping making margin so much. Yeah, that's why. So today I want to introduce it, and also it help to design new pages. Yeah. Then okay. First, there's a margin box. Then, for example, this is 8 pixel and 16 pixel and 24 pixel and 32 pixel and 40 pixel, 48, 56, 64, and 4 pixel. Then, everything 8 times different. Why? Because nowadays, actually, it's not so much big problem, but usually engineer and when they making website and mobile application, it's better 8 times margins. Yeah. But it's depending on engineer opinion. That's also anytime you should asking. Yeah. But first T standard template I already prepare for these margins. Yeah. Go. So then Then there is like a red one and a blue one. Then first keep that in mind. Red margin means they follow design rules. So that means margin rule. Then blue one is a specific margin rules. What is this? Okay, I just want to introduce it. Then, for example, look, this is a text box. Yeah. Actually, this text box is using auto layout. Then how can I make it? Yeah, I make it like that. First text box, and after that, this is the label, and closing auto layout. Then after that, I'm using margin box. Yeah, something like that. I made this one. Then I make a component. Then I use this text box. This is a level 1. Yeah, why? Because I didn't put it margin rules. So level 1 means, level 1 component means, without margin rules. Then level 2 means with margin rules. Then, I just make an instance, then put it margin and auto layout, and I make it component. So I make a component like that. Yeah. Then why is it good? Okay, first I show you login pages. The actual T standard already I prepare login pages. Yeah, but today in this video I would like to introduce it how to making login pages by using T standard. Okay, first select frame it and desktop, but any size is okay. But the T standard header width is 1440. So that's what I think it's better. Of course, you can change it, but it's better also. Header sizes, you should change it, header sizes. Yeah. Then, very important thing, when you make a design, anytime you try to pick up from the level 2, like that. Here. Yeah. Then can you see this margin? So that means that, header, if you put an object, should have 48 margin. Yeah. The next text box. Then also sign in. And 96. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Then, very important things. First, when you make it, this text box and this text, make an auto layout. Yeah. Okay. Then for example, look 24 included margin 8. Look margin 32 also included margin 8. What does it mean? Actually, so answer is very simple. When we see margin 8, there's some groups. Then if you close the eyes, yeah, this time group 1664. Close our eyes. Let's look at the design. Look, there's nothing, anything. There's no margin. Then you also can do the review. Yeah. Also, you can make a prototype, anything, and that is I want to do that. So that was so if you make a margin box, there's a good two things. One, you can like tell the design rule to engineer, and the second, you also can make a design so easily and you don't have to memorize the design rules. And the third, you also can like do invisible the margin, then you can show in like original design for everyone. So that is I want to say today. And now you understand it how much like this like T standard design component is very useful. Thank you for watching today's. I'm very happy. Thank you for watching today. If you can make it nice design by using our templated, thank you for watching today. If this like a template is help your design and your design system, I'm very happy. And if so, actually, so this YouTube channel has a like a contact form. If you have a request like about a component icons and the web pages, I help to making. And yeah, that's so let me know. And also like I updating this design file every day actually. Then you know all material is free. So yeah, that's why. So please use it. Yeah, and yeah, if you support me about the design thing or donation or like like a text like a good like a subscription text things and editing movies, yeah, giving me a good like knowledge, yeah, everything like I'm welcome. Yeah, anyway, thank you for watching today. See you soon. Bye.